Hello, this is Balwant. So let's see the program of Hello World, that how to print Hello World in assembly language. Okay, so we are using emulator 8086. Okay, so here what we are doing is we are initializing a variable with the Hello World string, and this string is HW is a variable name, and DB is the defined byte, yeah, defined byte, and hello world is a string with terminated with the dollar symbol. Okay, so in assembly language we have to terminate the string with the dollar symbol. Okay, so now let's see the code part, that how we're gonna print this on the output console. So here we are starting with the main procedure, and to access the data variable, to access the variable which is initialized in the data segment, we are first passing the address to the AX register. Then we are initializing DS, which is a data segment, and to access the variable directly from the data segment. Okay, then we are to print the string, and to print the string we'll have to first load it to the data register. So we are uploading it, we are uploading it to the data register by using offset HW. What do you mean by offset? Okay, yeah, that must be the question. So offset means that we are accessing the address of first value here in the string. So like h, this is the string is continuous, and it will be contained in a particular address, which will be continuous address. Okay, so offset is doing, what it is doing is it's giving me the address of initial value it's present in the string. Here is the h, okay, in the data segment, and here we are using data what is, yeah, service routine, yeah, service routine, which is used to print the value on the output console, or whatever value it is, and it will directly access the data register. That means whatever value is present in the data register, it will just print on the output console. Okay, and then we are returning it to the returning back to the program. Okay, so let's emulate the program, and let's see how will it gonna work. So okay, yeah, so okay, so let's run this, let's run this directly. Okay, I have already explained the step-by-step program, that how will it work and the things are going. So let's run the program, let's see the output. Okay, oh, where is hello world? Oh, sorry. I forgot something. Actually, here the service routine which is used to print the string is 9. Okay, so that's why it's not printing the hello world. Now let's emulate the program. Now it will print the string. So yeah, now can see the program. Now we can see that here's the hello world on the output console. Okay, so initially I was using 2 here. Earlier I was using 2 as the 2 here, and that's the service routine of integer values, to print integer values on the output console. But now I have used 9 now, so we use 9 to print the string value on the output console. Okay, so this was all about the hello world program on the output console. Okay, so thanks.